Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. My name is Chinedu Chukeze, CEO of Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. All right, today is 2nd of March, 2025. All right, I'm excited. We decided to have our weekly analysis early. Today is Sunday, and if you're watching this video, you're lucky because you have to prepare yourself before the market opens so that you know how to make money using our weekly analysis. If you have not watched our previous videos, please go and do that so that you know why you have to pay so much attention to our weekly analysis. Last week it was amazing, and I want to just review the reports of what we got last week together. I already sent some of the screenshots on our free channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. So if this is your first time of joining our weekly analysis, just subscribe to this channel. All right, click the like button, okay? Subscribe to this channel and also follow us on all social media handles. Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us on Instagram, alright? Dubiss Forex Academy, LinkedIn, you can look for Channel Education. Alright, see you at Dubiss Forex Academy, even on TikTok, Dubiss Forex Academy. Alright, so let's go to XAUUSD, which is gold. Good. Since how many weeks now? If you have been following us, watching our videos, you see that we have been selling gold from this point we have been, and it will come down, go back to the high, to the all-time high, to come down, go back to the all-time high, come down, go back to the all-time high. We have been selling, and I told you from our previous videos that each time price come back to the all-time high, that you can sell. That until that around 2950 area is broken and is going towards 296 and 297. That is when you will be sure that it's now going to 3000. And I said that good, possibly may still go to 3000. But for now, we trade what we are seeing as far as around this all-time high between 2941 2950 is holding, that we are going to be selling good. And eventually this week price went back to all-time high and we started selling, and we sold even at the point we started buying also when it hit our levels, key levels. If you go to H4, you will see our key levels that we have also highlighted. When it got to some places, we started buying, all right, around this point. But let me focus on, you can see, let me just show you something for the last buy that we have, for those that are in pay group also, for them to really understand why we have to buy for uh, the last set of buys we bought on Friday, because price indicated here. This is a key level. This is liquidity zone. The analysis is geared at pointing at key levels, liquidity zone. We highlight the key level zones, and then the liquidity zones, and once price get there, we will act accordingly, either for a buy or for a sell. So, right. So this is why we have to buy before the market closed. All right. So uh let's go back to D1 on gold. All right. The D1 on gold, we told you that our first point where we are expecting price to touch is around 38.2, and then 50.0 and 61.8. You can see that the price is still moving towards that direction. All right, we analyze the direction of the market, and you can see this is over 1000 pips, 1100 plus pips from that movement. We told you that gold will go down, and we highlighted it. So this week on that review, I want to first and foremost say congratulations to those that took advantage of these, those that watched our video and you took that trade. You sold good last week. Congratulations. So gold is moving as analyzed. All right. So on lower time frame, we are looking for opportunity to buy, and we have been buying also. So this week, when the market open, we look at it, also see how the market will go. All right. But from where we are, we've already made some good profit from that level that price hits here. So this, we can see H1 is already forming a harmonic pattern to still sell again. So when the market open, most likely our price could still go down again to test our 38.2, even 50.0 and 61.8. So this analysis is still valid. Congratulations once again. So let's go to GBUSD. GBUSD, our first analysis for GPUSD was that price could break. When price break here, we told you that price will retrace and touch, mitigate the liquidity zone. From there price will go, and that was why I said that we for those that sold that retracement, that we said that price will come back here, that's over 150 pips. So where price is now this week now, so this week we should expect price. So these are our latest analysis now for price to, all right, move from here where price is now, okay, and then move up. So these are latest analysis, all right. So these are latest analysis now. Then now second scenario, let's tell the second scenario. Second scenario will be, all right, price have already come down, so we are expecting price. So let's delete all these words because this already worked out, okay. So these have already worked out before now. So these are first scenario, price from here moving up. Then second scenario, watch closely. If price break back here, all right, what we wait is a retest. Price retesting it, and then price doing what? Going down. So this is second scenario. But the first scenario is what we have to focus. So once price open, we go to lower time frame and look for opportunity to buy GPUSD. This one is just second scenario. This is the first scenario. I don't have time to come and be writing it, but just watch the video and follow what I'm saying. This is the first scenario. So once the market open, we look for price action for buy for GBUSD. Second scenario is if you fail, this first scenario fail, price come down, break, retest as a resistance, then you now turn to short, then we sell GPUSD. So that's why we say if you want to get entry point, join our pay group. So reach out to us at Dubiss One on how you can join the pay group, and we send you the requirement to join the pay group, all right, for signal services. So Euro USD all played very well as analyzed. We told you first scenario was that this place will price will respect here and go down, and it's already going down, and that was what we measured how many pips we made over 160 pips. Now this week now, what we're expecting is price to continue to go down to reach this point, and from this point we will now buy. All right, remember we are still trying to we are still believing that price most likely on a long time we eventually still go up and break here. So this particular one is, let's move this one because it was second scenario, price have not broken here. So until price break here before we know. So at the moment now we are still waiting. We are once market open, we have to look for opportunity to buy, but you don't buy at this point. So you wait for price to come down and touch our liquidity zone. This is the liquidity zone we have already highlighted. If you want to see the price, just check by the side, look at the price. The price will be around 1.300, right? Around 1.300, between 1.300 and 1.250. So within this range, this is the range inside here where we're expecting price to mitigate before we buy. All right, don't just go and start buying at this point. So you wait for price to at least touch this zone before you will buy. So that is it for Euro USD. So this is the analysis where we are still leaving it. This is the new analysis. So anytime you watch the video, you go and check the arrow to see the last analysis made. So this is the analysis, and we're giving you the sign, the direction of the market. Then Euro GBP. All right, remember when price was here, we sold. That was a long time ago to this point. At this point, we now said we have to buy, and I gave you first three different entries. This is the first, second, and the third. From the first, we check it. That's around 40 pips. We measure from this point when price went here to here. This is around 40 pips. 40 pips. Second entry also price touch it. Look at when price touches and move up. All right, that's also around what 40 pips. And now price is now going to the third entry, right? So most likely what we see um, for Euro GBP is price really in touching at this third entry point. Okay, our liquidity before price will now do what, move up. So this is what we are expecting for GBP, Euro GBP. So we are price could still move down a bit, at least to tap in this our liquidity zone, because this second one now you can see that price closed below. So price needs to get into here before we buy Euro GBP. So we wait for market to open and see how the market will open. And this is why most time we prefer to do the analysis when trade is already going, when market has opened, because we don't know if there's going to be a gap or not. So but let's what I see. I see if I see any need also to make another video within the week, I'll still do that. But for now, this is the analysis. We're waiting price to tap in our liquidity zone and we buy from there. Then NZUS, the NZUS played perfectly well as analyzed. Last time price was going, we told you that price was still going up, that until price come to close to this zone, that is where we can do what? Sell NZUSD. Price got almost very close to the entry point. So for those of us, some persons may miss this one, all right? But if you remember that we always tell you that once price is close to there, you can take your entry, because this is just like 10 pips, less than 20 pips to where we highlighted. So from there, you can see price flies down. This is 100 something pips made from NZUSD for this sell. So right now, price is exactly at very close to the one we highlighted for a buy. This is our liquidity zone for a buy. So from here, we're already buying. We already sent the trade to our pay group on Friday to buy NZUSD. So if you're seeing it, price could just try a little to do as if you want to push down. Let's just say price may just try as if you want to push down forward, just to maybe trap in some people who think that it's still going down from where price is now. Just do small push down and enter inside this place very well. From here, we will still see price doing what, going up. So this what may also likely happen when price open. If dollar is strong, it will just go down small, enter inside here. From here, price will move. So this is analysis for NZUSD. We are looking for opportunity to buy. Pay group is already buying. Those in our pay group, we sent it last week to buy at 0.5 55 or be 560. That is where we started buying 5560. Yes, 55. This is 5594. So let's see. Okay, 5560. Yeah, that's where we started buying. I mean, 5600. Sorry, that's what I want to say. 5600. So that trade is like 6 pips. Is running on 6 pips loss. The from our own paid group entry points. So we are buying at 5600. So if you're seeing it, anything within this zone is a bad trade for a buy. So you can enter with your full chest. But remember to always put your risk. We always like to use 100 pips stop loss, 100 pips risk for level trading. This is level trading analysis. Okay, so let's go to USD card. USD card is the only pair that was filled based on the analysis we did. You can see that it filled. We said that price have broken. Price broke this our support zone when it was price was coming down. We're believing that from here price will rise. Price broke it. So as price broke it, as so as broke it, it come back and retest and then go down. That was the first scenario. Second scenario that it will break here, it may break here, and once it breaks here, once we see that it breaks here and retest it, then we'll buy. So you can see that price actually did what? Break this key level, because when it broke it becomes a resistance, supposed to be a resistance. So it went back to retest it and broke here, and it didn't retest it as a support. So as it just break, it was just going through. So all right,